Good morning. So I wanted to start off with some painting and I really didn't feel like getting dressed, so here I am. Morning, Hendrix. Good morning. Speaking of Hendrix, I found myself this lovely Great Dane statue. Costed me $35. You can buy these for over $100, so I was perfectly fine with that because I am gonna paint it. Are you excited? Hey? Is this gonna be you? So Hendrix is a 6-month-old Great Dane. We got a few months back. He's still growing. He's about half size right now. Hard to believe. But while they're growing, it's very hard on their joints, so they must stay light. He does eat 6 to 8 cups a day and as much as he'd like, but he is still a petite dog, I would say. Now that I said my little disclaimer about how my dog appears, I'm gonna start off by painting the whole thing with a white base coat. So I'm 15 minutes in, my hand is already cramping like crazy, and I've just got the head done. And what I just realized is I should have just bought a white can of spray paint and just done the base coat, but no. But at least this guy is already starting to look like my doggy. Come here, buddy. I want to show you what I made you. I made you a present. Yes, my beautiful baby. I will bring him to him because I own a lazy dog. Look who it is. Alright, before I conclude this video, what do you have to say about your sculpture, huh, honey? What do you have to say? Anything? Do you like it? I'm gonna take that as a yeah.